Hello everyone, this is Ethan. I'm from IQ Returnstar Technology. Our company has two brands, IQ and also the QNES. IQ focusing on the smart classroom solutions and also IQ Meet video conferencing solution. And for the QNES brand, we're focusing on the campus-wide audio and video broadcasting. So now let's take a look about this solution. So first of all, for the QNES solution, we have a centralized control. The key products we've call it NMP. It is short for the Network Media Processor. As you can see, this is the product itself for the NMP. As you can see, for the NMP, it has a lot of the interfaces that can cooperate with basically all of the electronic devices in the classroom or the meeting rooms, which means that when you connected it with this media processor, it can realize about the centralized control audio-video distribution by using our systems to realize about the centralized campus and also the meeting room-wide audio and video broadcasting. For this solution, we can also even have the wireless microphone system because the QNES solution has already included with the power relay, wireless matrix switch, AV decoder, wireless presentation system, and also a lot of the digital amplifier, AV matrix switch, and then IR series control. So the solution can help you to transforming the classroom into a interactive one, and also with the technology by under the QNES system, to realize the centralized control, audio-video broadcasting, and also management, even for the live streaming. If you wanted to know more about our solution for the QNES, please go to our website to contact more, www.qnextech.com.